Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to design this clean mechanical cover part in SolidWorks step by step, and trust me, by the end of the video, you will learn some powerful features like shell, fillets and precise detailing. So this is a housing. So let's begin. Now go to the right plane and sketch. Create a center line from the midpoint and make it construction geometry. Draw a two circle. The circle diameter will be 200 mm. Make this point and this and this, make it symmetric. Select this point and this point, and the distance will be 150, and make both circle must be in an equal position and make it vertical as well. So our sketch is fully defined. Now I am going to use line. Once the line is created, I am going to use trim. I have trimmed all section. It looks like a oblong. Perfect. Then go to the extrude boss. The direction 1 will be 10 mm and direction 2 will be 6 mm. Okay, and hit the green check. The next step will be select this face and sketch. Select circle. Draw a circle in the origin, and the diameter will be 130. Again select one more circle. Select one more circle, make it equal. Both circles should be in equal position, and the diameter is 5. Must be in a vertical position, and I am going to make this two circle into a symmetric position. The distance from this circle to this circle is 250 mm. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I highly appreciate if you like this video. Let's aim for only 5 likes. Correction in this 250 by diameter distance is not, it shows only 180 mm. If I put 170, now looks good, and trim part. Okay, select extrude. Okay, the extrude must be 50 mm and it should, the drop angle will be 2 degree. Good. Hit the green check. Again I am going to use fillet. Select this and select this. SolidWorks automatically collects all the edges and hit the green check. Again select fillet, select this portion and this. The fillet radius will be 10 mm Okay, next step, I am going to use shell feature. Select this face and the shell thickness will be 8 mm. Perfect. The next step, I am going to use hole wizard. So I need a circles. Draw a circle like this, as you can see on my screen. The circle diameter will be 30 mm and select all circle, select manually and make it equal. Okay, select this and this. The distance horizontal will be 90 and make it vertical. This circle and this circle make it vertical, and this circle and this circle will be in a horizontal position. Therefore our sketch is fully defined. Now use extrude boss. The next step will be I am going to use Boss Extrude. The extrusions will be 6 mm and the direction to will be up to surface with this surface. Okay, select fillet and the fillet will be 10 mm. Select this and choose second one option. So all edges must be selected. Again I am going to use fillet. This time the fillet radius will be 3 and select first option and hit the green check. Again select this upper portion and make it first. It will be select all the edges. Again select fillet, select these edges and choose first option. There are 21 edges and the fillet radius will be 3 mm. Select this portion also and select this first option. All 8 edges selected. This is our final step. Hole wizard. Select counter bore. ISO Xboard grade C 4016. I am going to select M10 and up to the end condition will be up to next. Select this face and create a hole of M10. Guys, please like this video if you are new in this channel. I highly appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.